Ever dreamed of launching your own website without spending a single dime? Today, we're making that a reality by showing you how to build a complete WordPress website using completely free resources. Step 1 is choosing a free web hosting provider that also offers a free WordPress installation. There are several great options out there. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on a popular platform known for its user-friendliness. Visit their website and look for their free hosting plan. Once you've found the free plan, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. You'll typically need to create an account using your email address and choose a strong password. Some providers might require you to confirm your email, so keep an eye on your inbox for a verification link. Now comes the exciting part: choosing your website's address or domain name with free hosting. You won't get a custom domain like your website. Instead, you'll receive a subdomain, which looks something like your website host. Or think of a catchy name that reflects your blog, portfolio, or business. Once you've selected your subdomain, the hosting provider will usually have a prominent option to install WordPress with just a few clicks. This is where the magic happens. They handle the technical setup of WordPress for you. After the installation is complete, you'll be directed to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center. From here, you can customize your website's appearance by choosing free themes, add content like text and images, and even install free plugins to add functionality. Explore the appearance section in your dashboard to browse through a vast library of free WordPress themes. You can preview them to see how they'll look and then easily activate the one you like best. Next, head to the Posts or Pages section to start creating your content. Write your blog posts, add your portfolio pieces, or describe your small business services. You can format your text, insert images, and even embed videos to make your website engaging. And there you have it. You've just built a functional WordPress website entirely for free. This is a fantastic way to start your online journey, whether you're sharing your passions, showcasing your work, or testing a business idea. Happy website building!